Before starting the question, let's name this figure. Let the triangle be A, B, C, and let this square be P, Q, C, and R. So it is given to us that perimeter of square is 4. What is perimeter of square? Perimeter of square is 4 times side. It is given that 4 times side is equals to 4. That means side of square will be 1. Let's mark this side of square as 1 in the figure. This is 1, this is 1, this is 1, and this side PR is also 1. We need to find the perimeter of equilateral triangle. To find the perimeter of equilateral triangle, we need the side of equilateral triangle. What is perimeter of equilateral triangle? Perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 times the side. Yes, so that means we need to find the side of equilateral triangle. It is given that it is an equilateral triangle. That means this angle will be 60 degree. This angle B will be 60 degree. This is a square. That means this is 90. If this is 90 degree, so this will also be 90 degree. Now in this right triangle PQB, if this is 60, this is 90, definitely this angle will turn out to be 30 degree. So in right triangle PQB, what are the angles? Angles are 30, 60 and 90 degree. In any right triangle, whenever we have angles as 30, 60 and 90, the ratio of sides opposite to them are 1, root 3 and 2. This side 1 is opposite to 30 degree, root 3 is opposite to 60 and 2 is opposite to 90 degree. So in this case, which side is opposite to 30 degree? 30 degree side opposite to 30 degree is BQ. And side opposite to 60 degree is side PQ. PQ is equals to 1. Yes, let's use these sides to solve the question. BQ over PQ is equals to 1 over root 3. And as we know, PQ is 1, BQ will turn out to be 1 over root 3. Now let's mark the value of BQ in the figure. This BQ is 1 over root 3. Now what is side of equilateral triangle? We can take any side. So in this case I am taking side BC. So BC can be written as BQ plus QC. So BC will turn out to be BQ is 1 over root 3 and QC is 1. If I solve this further, I will get BC as root 3 plus 1 over root 3. Now this is the side of equilateral triangle that is given to us. What will be the perimeter of equilateral triangle? Perimeter will be 3 times side is root 3 plus 1 over root 3. If we simplify this, we will get 3 plus root 3. So our final answer, perimeter of equilateral triangle is 3 plus root 3. This will be our final answer.